Well, my holiday cactus, technically a Thanksgiving cactus, has started to finish out flowering its first flush of blooms for the season. So I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys how to correctly deadhead these plants. And it's really important to do. Right now we are in the middle of December, and if I deadhead them now, and I follow the advice in my videos on how to grow them and care for them. If you haven't seen the videos on how to actually care for them to get the most flowers, check the video link right there or go to the description and you'll find some other links to those videos as well. But the important thing is that we want to be regularly deadheading these plants, because the sooner we get the old flowers off, the sooner more flowers can come. So it's really important that we continually do it. Doesn't take long, and I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly and easily right now. Now, it's really easy to see the difference between a nice flower that's just really peeking out and one that has finish. They start to get darker, they start to get a little bit papery, and that is your cue to take them off. Now, you can just let them fall off on their own, and they will just over time just make a nice little pile on the ground underneath the plant. But I like to encourage that process by doing it myself. And all that you really need to do, you just go to these old flowers just like this, and you just clasp on right and pluck it off just like that. It couldn't be easier. And sometimes you might get a little bit of the, if you pull it too hard, you might actually pull some of the technically stems off, the leaves off. If that happens, it doesn't matter. Just twist it off. It is also, if you just pull it off also, what ends up happening is that this will create a little open wound on the leaf, and it's not the best. We don't really want that to happen, so we'd rather just twist it off just like that. And if you just do this once every few days, your plant will stay looking nice and healthy. And you can see, as I continue to do that, I have more flower buds already coming. So as soon as we remove those old flowers, the energy of the plant starts to redirect itself towards creating new flower buds, and also opening up these flower buds that are on their way already. So that's why we are doing this. And as you guys know, I like a really nice, clean looking plant. But you see what I just did? I pulled it too hard, and this entire section just came off. We want to avoid that from happening. And as you can see, it really just takes a couple seconds, maybe a couple minutes at most. You don't want that to happen. You want to get the whole thing off. And sometimes when you do it, you might find that, all right, some of the little sections have either dried off, or this one got mushy a little bit. I don't necessarily know why. It doesn't matter. Sometimes it just happens, and it's okay. It's part of the grooming process of a plant. And there you go. You can see I have a nice, healthy pile of old flowers on the floor, and this plant is looking a lot cleaner right now, and this is absolutely going to provide it the opportunity to produce a whole new flush of flowers in the next 4 to 6 weeks. But if you still have any other further questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I always do my best to answer each and every one of them. And don't forget, like the video, subscribe to our channel. We have about over 1,000 videos all about growing different kinds of plants, inspirational videos, all that sort of stuff about Mother Nature. Anyways, thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao. I'll catch you soon. Ciao. I catch you.